Yeah, look at it. Look. And then this one as well. So we were meant to put 2.4 in. We turned up and this is already in, and it's really bad, really bad. We haven't seen nothing like this for a while.
Good morning everybody. Lovely cold day, 3rd of Jan, back at it. Look at this, lovely. Good job we've got lights in the yard these days, but very cold one this morning. I don't know how much you can see, but all the yard were frozen. In fact, the lock on gate were frozen this morning. This nice wagon driver next door gave me some of his coffee. I had to pour into the lock to get it going. There's always last one in the yard, he's bagging up. Always last one. Morning. I think he does it on purpose so we get loaded up before he comes. Vans defrosted. But yeah, what have we got on this week? We're just going to do a little install this morning over at school at Tadcaster with some access control provided by Matt from ESSC Solutions, and I think there's 15 metres of fences, something of note really. Lads will get there, get gating for Matt straight away and he can do his bits, so next time you see us we'll be over there doing some fitting. Yeah, so here we are over at St Joseph's at Tadcaster. Just a little job as explained. We're just going to put a little fence from school here along this wall. Gate going here, and then there's a little bit of fencing to go up there. This timber fence is coming out. My access control guys are already here. I can see them in there, look. Something to note, guys, the only thing is not much way to park here, so we'll get the guys in and we'll take this away and that'll be it.
So, first day back after Christmas. Got Jamie, we've got Baggy here. And hey guys. Jamie, hasn't got his uniform on. Naughty boy he is. But as you can see, we're just putting in a bit of mesh today. I've been and picked up all the Palisade for tomorrow's job, what we're doing. As you see, just tied into the wall. And then gates going on. So all this gate is going to be automated for the school. Lads are just putting this in now. And as you can see, hot wires hanging out for gate. That stuff's being taken away, as you can see. Matt loves that, it's like my favourite saying, as you can see. It is, ooh, it's cold.
Ooh, very cold, very cold.
But anyway, so yeah, we've got Palisade gates, so these are going in tomorrow, a nice big 2.4 high, and they're actually with D profile 3 millis, what is a bit of a thing of the past, but we managed to get hold of it. The mesh gates on the bottom, they're for the job at the end of the week, some prism mesh, what we're putting up, so yeah, busy. So guys, busy at work. So we just basically took all the Palisade down now. Jamie's just cutting the last post out, and we're literally going straight line from this one here. It's basically where Baggy's stood at the other side, and a nice big double gate in the middle. So yeah, I'm going to leave the lads to it. It's absolutely, can't really tell how much it is raining, but it's just nothing. Good morning. So another day. We was gonna get this actually done yesterday, but unfortunately where we are, it's just a massive valley behind us, so the wind and the rain, we were all absolutely drenched. The lads probably more than me because I nipped off. So we're here again today. It's raining, but it's not windy, so should be able to get it smashed off. So what we're going to be doing is, obviously we're going to be paling them 2 bays, putting the gate in. We're actually going to be welding something to the bottom of the gate just because it's on a slope, so obviously we don't want a massive gap underneath it. And then another 2 bays to put in after the gate just to tie into that original one. But lads are just getting started now, getting the gates off, getting it ready, and we'll get rocking and rolling, and lads will get another video. So yeah, let's get cracking, let's get off, and let's do this. So we're just on a job at we was actually meant to put this this fencing in at 2.4 high. Yeah, look at it, look. And then this one as well. So we were meant to put 2.4 in. We turned up and this is already in, and it's really bad, really bad. We haven't seen nothing like this for a while. Not just that, have a look at this corner as well. Alright, instead of just self-tapping it on, look at that, just a massive gap. Yeah, get the A-team in, not some Cowboy one-man band, because this is what ends up happening. All these here, all these are meant to have clamp bars, proper clips. The whole thing's meant to be drilled all the way through. All the way through it's meant to be drilled. Not any of it's like that. Yeah, fair enough, they've overlapped it, but it's the wrong post for the job, the wrong clips. We've done the whole job like that, and I can tell you now, if we wanted to pull that down by hand right now, we'd get every single last bit of that down. Wouldn't even have to dig it out, just be able to pull it out. But yeah, we're going to get this job cracked off, but we just thought show you what, you know, what work can be done and what should be done is very bloody different. But yeah, have a good one guys, and we'll see you later.
Good morning everyone. Finished another week at Airedale fencing, and the weather today is, whoa, it's atrocious. I'm absolutely bouncing it down and stopped all morning. There's literally a river running outside of our yard. Yeah, whoa, it's atrocious, but it's been a bit iffy all week, but luckily we've got sort of through the jobs we needed to. Nothing major this week because it was first week back from Christmas, so the lads have done well. They've got a few jobs done. They managed to do a school over at Tadcaster, just a few metres of fencing and a gate with access control. Our good friend Matt Richardson sorted out the access control part of that. And we've done a recycling centre in Halifax, some new Palisade gates and a bit of fencing and take down the old stuff. And then we've just done some bits and bats, including putting another tub in our yard, but it's too wet, I can't show you. In fact, I'll turn it round. Yeah, to see out there, but look at that outside our yard. And half of that water is actually running into our yard there, but look at our yard, it's atrocious. I've just been and locked up, it's a nightmare. I mean, look at water running down there, you know, it's bad. Even though it's been wet and windy and cold, we've plodded on as usual. So yes, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, and we'll see you on the next one.